problem. Into word problems. So this is what we're going to be doing. I am learning how to solve word problems using decimals. Can everybody say that together?
I am learning how to solve word problems
using decimals. Perfect. So first we're going to start with a review, just dividing by our decimals using our place value chart. So right now we're going to go, actually, before we do that, I want to ask you guys, why do we solve word problems? Okay. Yeah, so we can get better at math. Did you have one, Carter? Mary?
So you can understand them better instead of just saying, oh, I don't know what this is saying. And if you write it out, then you can actually understand it.
And in real life, you're not going to get just simple 2 plus 2. They're going to say, hey, we've got 4 desks and we need to break it down to 3 and we need 4 groups of 2. Those are word problems. And so it's more like real life. So we're putting the math that we've learned, all this 6 weeks of school, into word problems so we can kind of pull out those equations that we've been learning. All right? And then I also have a resource that can help us while we're working on word problems. This is something you guys have done in 4th grade, but it's just a reminder. So it's the key words in word problems and what they mean. So with division, when the word problem says share or distribute or quotient, that's meaning that we're going to do some division in that problem. So these are key words to help us figure out what to do. Okay? And I'm going to have a fun song for us to help remember that.
Oh, we're good at those jams.
Oh, no. Okay, now we're going to get rolling. Okay, so what I want you guys to do on your whiteboards is create a place value chart, or you can take one from the front. And we're going to represent this in discs.
It's good practice.
So go ahead and start. So we've got 0.3 divided by 2.
Let's do it.
How do we place that in our place value chart? Using our discs. I know you guys know this. Remember, this is what Mary Ann taught us.
Oh, tenths. They can make them because we're really good at it by now.
Oh, perfect. Oh, we are.
I'm just going to go to hundredths. I think.
Tell you got it.
Just start with in case there's any trading. Okay, so now. Ooh, tens and ones are on there too.
So,
I was just looking at that one, kind of modeling after, but we won't need it for this problem. Okay, so how many tens
all
do
right,
we
I see
have?
it's all coming back to you guys. Good work. Yes, discs. Circles are discs.
Yeah, remember how we put your tens in, and then, so we need 2 sections down here,
Thank you.
because it's divided by 2.
I'm going to wait a couple more seconds, let you guys think. Do you have a
Okay,
question?
so,
Do
well,
you have an answer?
everybody can have 1.
Show it to me.
Now what do we do with the extra one? Okay, so
All right.
we're cashing it in, we're gonna go 10 hundredths.
Perfect.
Hey, you're right.
All right, who's confident in their answer and wants to write it on the board? Lena. No? She's got it. Oh, well, let's see. See if you guys agree.
Yeah, I have to write my totals down below still. Don't worry about making your chart perfect, just worry about doing the problem right. Okay? Because otherwise you won't get to practice. Mrs. Nestor, on your computer screen, move that arrow off the screen so then it won't keep popping up on her. She's still So now, how many of these will each person get?
So she's crossing crossing out
You're
what she
right.
doesn't need. All right, did anybody else get this?
Yes.
0.15? Did anybody not get this? Oh, you guys are so smart. Malachi, are you ready for the next one?
No.
No? Do you want to have a seat with Miss Holton?
Yeah, come on up,
Why don't you have a seat back there?
because you weren't here for that.
Yeah. Okay.
I keep moving down one. Yay, another helper, good job. Okay, so this one.
All right, let's do one more. 0.9 divided
This
by
time,
5. Using our
Susan,
place
stop,
value
leave your
chart.
chart. You're wasting too much time on making a chart. So just put ones, tens, hundreds.
Where's that chart?
Good job. And thousand. Well, because the words up top don't mean as much as what we're actually doing, right?
The answers.
Okay, Malachi, we got 9/10 to put on there to start with. Okay, you can just make your problem right below that. So 9/10, I'm gonna go.
Your charts don't have to be perfect.
And then we need 5 sections.
Just extend the chart.
Okay, so I'm gonna give everybody one. So first I'm gonna go through 5. Uh-oh.
How's it going, Jordan? Were you here for this?
Now what are we
Can
gonna
you do
do?
the discs?
Yeah, well, yeah, he was for the division, but only a day, and then he was gone a week,
Okay,
so.
feel free to ask a neighbor if you need some help who's already done.
Vitali, can you help Jordan out as we go through this, because he has missed a lot, and you are really solid right now.
Yeah, you're pretty.
He got it, it all came together for Vitali like 2 days ago.
Don't be excited, Molly. Don't be excited for that.
You guys, I'm stuck, what do I do now? I only have 4/10 left, and I'm not gonna go.
You gotta bring it over to the hundreds.
All 4?
Yes.
So all 4 become 10 over,
Yes.
so I'm
It
gonna
would
have
be
4
40.
sets of 10 over here,
Yeah.
40.
I just
Okay.
wrote the number because
Nope.
it won't have enough
Okay.
room.
Okay, so I'm just gonna write 10, 10, 10, like that.
Or you should write 40 and or
Okay.
I'll read it. I'm writing 40.
I'm gonna put my little dots, because I'm a purist.
40.
You're a purist.
Yeah. And plus, I'm just learning. Hi, Greg.
Hey Greg.
It's starting to work right now.
Oh,
After
perfect.
much chaos.
What fixed
Come
it?
see me, I'll tell you all the things that are happening. Olivia, take over my group.
Okay. Yes. Want me to work there?
Yesterday, the smartboard on my computer wouldn't talk to each other. And I kept them hooking and rehooking, and they still wouldn't. And I even tried someone else's toggle and didn't work.
Yeah.
Then today, when we came in, the computer and the projector couldn't talk to each other.
There you go. Nice
And so we kept rebooting, and then finally Alex came up and we had ITSC on the phone. And they did something that made it actually work, but this computer, okay, and then yesterday the computer froze, and when we rebooted, I lost the whole.
All right, so who
And when I did the search for them.
thinks they have the right answer and would like to write it on the board?
Documents, they weren't there.
Or we'll have lots of opportunity to do this.
Smart notebook, I had to reinstall.
Yeah. You got that.
So, it's just
That
not.
would be no, they would, yeah.
Yeah. And then finally, now it's starting to work again. And she's being obsessed with this lesson, so I can't take it away.
Can I do the next
But as soon
one?
as she's done around 10-ish, then you can have that computer to look at if you wish.
Okay, well,
But if I go by.
it's hard for me to do much when it's on the computer.
No, and it was a mess this morning. I mean, it wouldn't do anything.
Yeah.
And it just keeps happening, but it's slower and slower and slower than it ever was right now. We clicked on control panel, and it actually was 4.5 minutes before control
Wait,
panel.
how'd you know that that's how many lines you needed?
So I don't know what's up. If I go by on the Nova 3 somewhere and take off all the passwords, yesterday we put it on there until it's a district one, and then it services when it breaks.
Oh, did you guys hear that? This is kind of helpful. You do one less than your whole number when you're working out the lines.
You know, you spend
Or you can just create
an hour and a
it.
half putting in all the math for your next 2 smartboard
Yeah.
lessons, and then you can't use them.
Right.
It's horrid. But it's just that super slow thing, and it's a new computer last year.
Right, yeah, and it's been reimaged multiple times already.
Yeah.
Here.
There is just a lot.
Could be.
No, I got a different one. She was
I mean, the only thing I could do is reimage it again. Can't give it another.
And it doesn't make it go faster, because you just did it a month ago.
I would just clean up if there's something on
Referencing so far, you agree? Oh, there you are.
there.
Are you with them?
1-8. Back table, is that what you guys got?
yeah. 0.8.
We had it before there wasn't either.
Jean, it was Jean's.
Nice. Okay.
And we got mine working really well.
All right, good warm up, you guys. So now we're gonna start. Listen up.
Okay.
Malachi, back table. All right, now we're gonna start moving on to word problems.
Well,
But to warm us up,
yeah, I can't.
here's where the song's gonna come in.
Oh,
Okay?
it's working right now, Mary.
Yeah,
Thanks
so,
for checking.
So, everybody, I need everybody to listen and eyes on me. Mary,
Malachi.
David, Malachi.
Attention's here. Thank you for checking.
So you guys can do the movements in your seats.
I got here pretty quick, right?
Mary, what are we doing?
Thought it was still either.
So we can do the movements to the song in our seats, but I still want you guys to be in control. If we get
Okay.
too crazy, we're gonna stop the video and move on, okay? Or if you're
And yesterday I checked the
Sitting
stereo
location.
connection, everything said it connected everything, yet it wasn't. So I don't know what to do. And like even now, well now the whole green light is on.
Welcome to.
But the one that shows they're connected is not that set, the one, you know how it goes like this and then right here it shows they're connected?
Yeah, yeah.
It'll be
No,
red if
this
they're not.
must be
There's
the
no
little
light.
thing.
this one.
Yeah. Little speakers.
Oh.
Yeah, speaker.
They're watching me.
We had to turn it off because of my really loud horn timer yesterday was bothering. This is right now. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There you go, feel it. There you go.
Ooh. Oh, that's how you kick a ball?
These keywords.
I wish Olivia was in there. Oh yeah, I think that's not a good word for subtraction. When you see it, feel it, or it won't go in your head.
Then how many remain? Decreased by minus 11%. Another one is how many more? And what's the difference between prices at the store? And all sorts of words that end with ER, like how much larger, how much farther, thousand. Decreased by 99. Now how many remain? 901,000 remain.
Oh, it's not funny.
Walmart. Moving down the next app, 100 CDs. Yo, someone tell me please. How many and multiplied by also product of and increased by a factor of. Another one is in all. And yo, how many total, doubled and tripled? Hey, don't be shy. You shout when you see him. I got him all.